Namaskar friends. Hope this year started off very well for all of you. So I wish this year will be very peaceful and healthy for each one of you. In the series of English phrases, today's phrase is the fish discovered the water the last. It's a very interesting phrase, and I was reading a book called Multiplier, and I could come across this phrase, and I found it very interesting, and I'm sure you'll appreciate that this phrase is applicable for our communication, and it is very good. The phrase means that the fish discovered the water last. It means that there are few things in our life. We take things for granted. Like for example, the culture, the value. And we don't realize that, we are missing them. And when we actually miss them, we realize that we have missed a big thing. And there are few changes happens in our life. For example, if you give an example of health, there are few changes happens. There are few things, gives us symptoms, indication comes, but we ignore them. It's a small thing, so it doesn't matter. But as it grow up, and we realize that that's become a big problem. And so what it means that we ignore smaller things, changes, and by which we get into a problem, we realize, actually it's called self-realization. So the fish discovered the water last means self-realization, because fish does not know anything else other than water. So it only means that. The origin is in 1930s, or Albert Einstein used it in one of his essay, and there are a couple of columnists used it in 1960s as well. This phrase is used, and it's basically a Ethiopian proverb. It says that nobody knows who discovered water, but certainly not fish. So it only means that, this phrase indicates that there are few things we are aware. It's like a self-realization, and we don't value them, and we take it for granted. And as we realize it, then it will be the last way, once we realize it is already too late, sort of thing. So I hope this phrase is very interesting for each one of you, and you will use it whenever you get an appropriate occasion to use it. If you like it, I request you, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.